Hi guys, here I am with my new video. This is like how to make our resin keychain. We have to mix our ratio according to the 2:1, and then we have to add some colors and then the glitters to make some sparkle on your life types. Then we are going to with a mold. We will fill it with according to the area how much we will need the glitter and plus that color pigment. Now we are going to in the V that we will fill it with the glitters and some colors pigments. This is my first time that I am playing with some glitters. I hope you all like it. Last but not the least, the K. I love the K name because my name is also come from the K starting, so that's why I love the K. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all like it so much.